How to reduce mobile data usage on your LG phone.
An LG smartphone screen on the data usage menu shows total data usage and usage broken into apps.
If your LG phone often runs out of data or is costing you more than expected due to exhausted quotas, there are troubleshooting steps you can take to reduce your phone's data usage by apps. We'll show you how to check the data usage and which data settings you can modify.
They click through the menus.
To check data usage, open Settings. Then click Network and Internet and open Data Usage. Here you will see a list of apps that consume mobile data, and you can see the apps that consume most of that data.
Google Play Store, Google Play Services, and Gmail are the top 3 data usage apps in the menu.
If data usage for a particular app seems unreasonably high, or if you are not using the app but it still consumes a lot of data, you can restrict an app's data usage by turning on Data Saver.
They click through the menus.
Open Settings, click Network and Internet, and go to Data Usage. Tap the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner, then click Data Saver.
Data Saver is the second option in the menu that appears. They click it and click the toggle in the upper right corner.
Toggle it on. This turns off background data for all apps. Clicking on Unrestricted Data Access will allow you to individually choose which apps are allowed to use mobile data freely.
They toggle AccuWeather on.
Your apps might also be auto-updating over cellular data, which can burn your allotment quickly. Pre-installed apps can be updated via the Update Center, and third-party apps can be updated via the Google Play Store.
They click through the menus.
For pre-installed apps, open Update Center and select App Updates. Then click the 3 dots at the upper right-hand corner and click Settings. Select Auto Update Apps. Then select via Wi-Fi only or completely turn off Auto Update apps.
They click through the menus.
For third-party apps, open the Google Play Store. Click the circle with your profile picture or initials at the upper right-hand corner, then select Settings. Select Network Preferences, and select Auto Update Apps. Then select over Wi-Fi only or completely turn off Auto Update apps. Note that turning off Auto Update apps will completely stop the apps from receiving updates. Be sure to check for app updates regularly to maintain application stability. Auto backups can consume a lot of mobile data, especially if the phone needs to back up a lot of files.
They click through the menus.
To turn off auto backup using mobile data, open Settings, select Google, open Backup, and toggle off the backup using mobile data option.
Bottom right-hand corner.
Lastly, even if the phone is locked or the screen is off, note that data usage will still run, especially if there are apps that are unrestricted in using mobile data. Following these troubleshooting steps should significantly reduce your LG phone's mobile data usage. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text, lg.com/support. Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, email, and phone icons. Text, this video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information and product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022. LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.